Salton Sea was formed in 1905 when the Colorado River overwhelmed the wooden gates of the Alamo Irrigation Canal. For 2 years, the river flowed through the broken channel into the Salton Basin, submerging most of the town and leaving behind the largest lake in the state of California. Today, the Salton Sea is 375 square miles, but it gets smaller and saltier every day. The state recreation area was created in 1956. Irrigation runoff feeds the sea, but through the years, the sea has become increasingly salty. In its heyday, it was the second largest in the state park system. In 1976, Hurricane Kathleen flooded Bombay Beach. Other problems were to follow. The North Shore Yacht Club was designed by Robert Frey and opened in 1959. Many famous artists from Hollywood docked their boats here, most notably the Beach Boys. After being abandoned for decades, in 2010 it was refurbished and opened as a museum. In 2015, it was added to the National Register of Historic Places. Natural sandbars were formed by the waves. Fishermen are catching the only fish that can survive in the salty water, tilapia. .3% of the U.S. bird population winters at the Salton Sea. It's a crucially important part of the Pacific Flyway for birds like this snowy egret. The Salton Sea is in danger of becoming a toxic dust bowl. Birds are tired when they arrive and often get ill. Avian botulism occurs when the strong winds push old deoxygenated water from the bottom of the sea to the surface, causing fish to suffocate and die.
As I stood on shore taking these pictures, a fish jumped out of the water and landed at my feet. A California gull grabbed the fish and was swarmed by more gulls. An American white pelican got it from all of them in the end.
The white sandy beaches are unlike any other. Close inspection showed decades of fish die-offs fill every inch of the beach with a sand of ground bones.